Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Wow, it's snowy outside. Winter is here. So, how about we go back into the kitchen? We're going to make this beautiful and an elegant traditional dish. And we're going to celebrate this season and the new year by making geleneksel felezitil lahanesang lama or Sarmale delicioase ku memaliga, aka super seriously delicious stuffed cabbage rolls with polenta. So let's get started. Let's prepare the meat. Since I don't have the ground pork, I'm going to grind it first. But you can easily buy the ground one at the supermarket. Add in all the shallots as well into the grinder because at the end we're going to mix them all together anyway. Yeah, they are beautiful. So here I have in total around 1.5 kilogram of ground pork and beef. You can mix them all by using your hand. Add in 2 large eggs to the meat mixture. By using a wood spoon, continue to mix. And then add in the black pepper into the meat mixture. We're going to prepare some tomato paste, add some water, add it into the meat mixture, then mix well. What next? Add in the rice into the meat mixture. Again, continue to mix. Normally we were using dill to make this sarmale, but today we're going to use thyme instead. So, add in the thyme and then continue to mix. And don't forget, this is one of the main ingredients. We need 1 whole cabbage head. Then remove the plastic wrap, drain and reserve the juice from the sour cabbage. Remove the stem from the cabbage leaf and cut in half. Keep the stem because we're going to cook the stem as well later on. Place all the stem into the pot. Then we'll continue to put the filling into the cabbage rolls. Place about 1 tablespoon of the meat mixture onto each cabbage leaf. Then roll. Repeat this step with all the remaining meat mixture and the cabbage. For the small size of cabbage leaves, we can double it and place the filling onto it. We're going to prepare some tomato paste, add in some water, and also add in some cooking oil. Add the tomato juice over the cabbage rolls. And let's continue to roll the remaining cabbage. For some variations, we also can use tomatoes. Cut the tops of the tomatoes, scoop up the flesh, and spoon the meat mixture into the tomatoes. At the end, top with the tomato juice. Chop up the leftover cabbage leaf and sprinkle onto the top of the rolls. As well as pour the remaining tomato juice and the reserved juice from the sour cabbage into the pot. To cook it faster, I'm going to use my Instant Pot. Add more water if needed. The juice should cover the cabbage rolls entirely. Using the meat stew program, just hit the button and wait until it's cooked. Yeehaw! The sarmale is done! But before we serve and have our family and guests to enjoy the sarmale, we need to broil them into the oven for around 5 to 10 minutes and let the color turn nice golden brown. Meanwhile, bring water and salt into a boil. Let's cook the polenta or mamalige or buhlama. Pour the polenta slowly into the boiling water. Stir constantly until there are no lumps. Reduce the heat, then cover. Then stir occasionally. Oh, let's check the sarmale. Ho ho ho, ladies and gentlemen, the sarmale is done. Look at the color. Yes, this color. Nice golden brown. Let's check our polenta. Polenta is done when the texture is creamy. Add a tablespoon of butter and ready to serve with our sarmale. And tada! Our gelenek self velocity lahan sa magpamuhlama or our sarmale delizioase cu mamaligă, or our delicious stuffed cabbage rolls with polenta are ready! Don't forget to try this authentic recipe at home. And Happy New Year, everyone! See you next time. Bye!